Today I am going to teach you how to install the software called Winrar. Remember that Winrar is a software for data compression and decompression. At the time of your compression, it will allow you to save storage space for your files, and this will help you when sending or receiving files you need. For example, I have a file in RAR, in which I can't unzip it. Because I don't have the software installed and stop it, you go to the link that I will leave in the video description, and download depending on their operating system the program they need. Either 64-bit or 32-bit. Depending on it they download it. Choose right-click, execute as an administrator. They give him give you to install. If you want, click on it to work with ISO files. Give you accept, and ready. As you can see, it is already installed. The file I mentioned can already be seen. I will right-click, extract and test, and it will create a folder in which is my file that I had in RAR. That would be all. I hope it helps you. And any questions or doubts you can leave me in the comments. If you want or need the installation of a software, can you tell me? For me to do it in the other video. That would be all, and see you later.